This 2-bedroom apartment has some of the best views in the whole of Larnaca itself. You've got this huge terrace and just look at those views, the whole of the Larnaca Bay area. Coming through into the lounge, again, spacious, open to those views, and just look at this kitchen. Everything integrated. Actually, a pleasure to do the cooking. Right, come through here, just look at this. Okay, it's as an office, gym area, but this is the main bedroom, of course with his own suite and with those views. Loads of wardrobe space. In here we've got a washing machine and a tumble dryer, the family bathroom, and then through onto the 2nd bedroom. So much wardrobe space, so much light. So this is something special. This 2-bedroom apartment is exclusively with Purple International. So if you want to come and see this apartment and see these views, please give us a call on the numbers below or drop us a message at the bottom of this video. Thank you.